In this video, I'll be doing problem number 1 for section 2D for unit 2. This problem reads, all boron, the following scatter plot shows the average brain weight versus average body weight for 96 species of mammals. There are many mammals whose points overlap in the lower left. So A here is asking, describe how the point representing the elephant affects the equation of the least squares regression line. The least squares regression line R squared, and S. Is this point an outlier or a high leverage point? Explain your reasoning. Since it is already above the slope, the elephant makes the slope increase. It also decreases the y-intercept due to its body weight. And then since it isn't against the trend in the lower left, it is a high leverage point. And thus brings R and R squared closer to 1. Not much explanation here, it's just straight interpretation. And then it also asks about S. Since the residual for the elephant is greater than most points on the graph, it increases the standard deviation of the residuals. Yeah, super long answer there. It asks like 5 things. I explained my reasoning throughout there, so we're good. Letter B is going to ask, describe how the point representing the human affects the equation of the LSRL, R squared, and S. Let's see. So, this point increases the slope no, it would this point decreases the slope by making it more negative by starting high and left. This point heavily increases the y-intercept. And then this would disagree with other points and be an outlier decreasing r and r squared. High residual means it increases the stand dev of residuals. Wow, that is a lot of writing. No calculations there, so I couldn't really help you much. But it's just straight interpretation. You have to know that the slope and correlation are correlated, and then just because it's above the LSRL doesn't mean it's making them go more positive. So, yeah. But that is it for question 1. So, yeah.